Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to NIAVS Homeschool. I am Farhana Yasmin, assistant teacher of morning shift. Now I am going to take an English second paper class for class 8. Our today's topic is articles and this is lecture number 16. Okay dear students, look here, we have practiced articles in live class already. So today we will have another discussion on it. Our today's topic is articles. So what is an article? An article is a word that is used before a noun to show whether the noun refers to something specific or not. So an article decides the specificity of a word and it's usually a noun. An article shows the specificity of a noun. Article can be of two kinds. There are two kinds of articles. One is definite article. Definite article is the, and indefinite articles are a and an. We use a before consonant sounds and we use an before vowel sounds. You know it already. Let's look at examples. Number one, I need a box. Here a is indefinite article. So any box would do. It doesn't mean any specific box, just any box would do. Number two, put the box on the table. Now here we are talking about a specific box, so we are using the instead of a. This sentence talks about a specific box. It says to put a specific box on the table. The table is also specific here. So usually we use the indefinite articles a or an with something singular, and the can be used with either singular or plural. Let's look at the next page. We can use the with singular and plural nouns. For example, see, I put the ticket in my pocket. Here ticket is singular. Second sentence, I paid for the tickets in cash. Here ticket is plural but we are still using the. So the can be used both with singular and plural nouns. Okay. We often use an adjective after a or an or the before a noun. So when we are using the articles before a noun, often there is also an adjective as well. Let's look at the sentences. Example, I bought a cheap ticket. The article is a and our noun is ticket. So see, there is an adjective before the noun, cheap. So in between the article and the noun, adjectives can also be there. Another example, the cheap tickets are sold out. See, the adjective can still be there between the article and the noun. Let's look at some other uses of articles. Number one, we use a and to talk about something for the first time. If we are mentioning something for the first time, then we can use a. For example, I saw Ovik yesterday. He was wearing a t-shirt. Now we are talking about the t-shirt for the first time, so we are using the indefinite article. Number two, we use the with a singular noun to talk about something we have already mentioned. Here the speaker gives more information about something. For example, Ovik was wearing a new t-shirt. We are talking about the t-shirt for the first time, so we are using a. Next sentence, the t-shirt had red stripes. Now we are using the definite article with the same t-shirt because it has already been mentioned before. So now we are referring to the specific t-shirt. So that now is specific, we are using the definite article. The t-shirt had red stripes. Number three, we use a and to talk about one thing or person when there are many and we are not specifying which one. We are not interested in which one or we don't know which one. So when something is not specified, we can use a or an. For example, I bought this dress in a shop last week. So the shop is not specified. It can be any shop. Number four, we use the when we are specifying which thing or person we are talking about. When we are already talking about something specific, we use the. For example, I bought this dress from the shop next to the library. Here the shop is specific. This is the specific shop that is next to the library. Number 5, we use the if it's clear what we are talking about and there are no other possibilities. For example, the players are coming onto the field. So everyone already knows the specific field being talked about. The players of this match and the court of this match. So in this context, everyone knows what is being talked about. Then we use a or and for a type of job as well. Like my brother is a doctor. Okay, so this is the profession of the brother, and before this we are using and. What is he? He is a doctor. Let's look at the next page. Sometimes we don't use articles with the same thing. For example, that's a nice song. We are using a before the song. Second sentence, I like the music in that film. We are using the before music. But look at the third sentence, I like listening to music. Okay, here is being talked about music in general. Okay, so in these sentences we used articles, but as here we are talking about music in general, we are not using any articles. So sometimes we don't use any article in these cases. We can only use a and with a countable noun. A countable noun can have a plural form and may describe something that exists in separate individual forms. So, a or and we can also only use with countable nouns. With uncountable nouns, we can't use articles like a or and. For example, she has a very beautiful doll. A doll is a countable noun, so we are using the definite article a here. Let's look at the next sentence. She has a few dolls. Okay, dolls is the plural form, but here is few, so we are saying a few, but we are not using only a for the plural dolls. Next, we cannot use a or an with an uncountable noun. An uncountable noun has no plural form and describes something that doesn't exist in individual examples that can be counted. For example, music, education, politics, food, water, weather, work, meat, rice, bread. These are uncountable nouns. In this kind of nouns, we can't use article. For example, I listen to a music. This is wrong. This should be I listen to music. We can't use article here. This is wrong. It is not possible to talk about different musics because this is uncountable noun. We can use thou with singular and plural countable nouns. Thou we can use it both singular and plural. We have discussed it before. Let's look at the example sentence. The teacher arrived and spoke to the students. We can use thou with uncountable nouns. The food was good and I really liked the curry. So we can use thou with both singular and plural and uncountable nouns. Let's look at more uses of articles. We use thou with plural nouns to talk about specific things or people. For example, I like the vegetables in this dish. These particular vegetables, the vegetables that are in the specific dish, those specific vegetables. I like the students. Here it means the students of my class. So these specific things are being talked about. So article the is used with these plural nouns. We do not use an article before a plural noun when we are talking about both things or people in general. So if we are talking about both in general, then we do not use article before that plural noun. Let's look at the example. Young children often don't like vegetables. Young children in general and vegetables in general. So no articles, okay? It's being talked about in general. We use the with an uncountable noun to talk about a particular type or example of something. Example, I put the books into my bag. Particular books are being talked about. We do not use an article with an uncountable noun when we are talking about something in general. Books play an important role in our life. Here, books in general and life in general. So, no articles. So, let's look at some other cases we do not use the with. The names of most countries except the US and the UK. She comes from India and she lives in the US. If a country name is an abbreviation having various parts, in these cases we use the. But in general we don't use the before names of most countries. For names of countries having various parts, we use the USA or the UK like this. Next one, the names of continents or languages. She comes from Australia, not from the Australia. Do you speak Bangla? Not the Bangla. So before continents and languages, we don't use the article the. Next one, types of music. But we can use the with musical instruments. So we can't use the with types of music, but we can use it with the instruments. He likes classical music, not the classical music. But he plays the guitar in a band. Before the instrument, we can use the article. Next one, meals, subjects for study, sports and games. Before these things, we don't use the article the. What did you have for breakfast? Not the breakfast. She is very good at maths, not the maths. I don't know how to play chess, not the chess. So in these cases, we omit the as article. Okay dear students, this was today's discussion. If you have any problems, let me know in live class. Okay, so study in your home properly and stay safe.